Very good morning, students. I hope you all are well and safe at your home. So, students, let's start today's class. Now, today I am going to start new chapter. The name of this chapter is chapter number 6, Factors and Multiples. Now, today we will start this new chapter. So, in factors and multiples, first we explain about factors. So, what are factors? Now, students, first we explain about factors. Now, we know that 2 5s are 10. What is it? 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. So, this is a multiplication fact. ये क्या है हमारा multiplication fact because 5 is the, now in this 5 is called the multiplier and 2 is called the multiplicand and 10 is called the product. Same process when we explain about the factors. So this 5 is you use 5 and this is the multiplier and this 2 is the multiplicand. So, and product is 10. So in factors 5 and 2 are the factors of 10. So 10 is the multiple of 2 and 5. So students, 2 and 5 are the factors of 10. When we multiply 2 by 5, the answer is 10. So when we multiply two factors, the given answer is called the multiple. So 2 and 5 are the factors of 10 and 10 is the multiple of 2 and 5. कोई भी two numbers, when we multiply any two numbers, the answer we get, that is called the product, and product, the other name of the product is called the multiple. So 10 is the multiple of 2 and 5 and 2 and 5 are the factors of 10. So students, I hope आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा what are the factors and what is the multiple. First we will do factors. Factors वो numbers होते हैं जो किसी भी टेबल में, सपोज अगर हमारे पास 30 है, हमारा नंबर है, सपोज दिस इज द, आई हैव अ नंबर 30. लुक हियर बेटा, suppose only 10 limited now. Suppose this is the number of 10. So write down the factors of 10. So first we start from the table of 1. Now 10 is multiplied. Now in which table? 10 comes in which tables? In which numbers? So 10 जो है वो कौन कौन से tables में आता है, किन किन numbers के table में आता है? Those all numbers are the factors of 10. First is 1 multiplied by 10. So 1 is the factor of 10. Then 2 के टेबल में भी 10 आता है. कब आता है? 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. अब 3 के टेबल में 10 नहीं आता, 4 के टेबल में 10 नहीं आता, 5 के टेबल में 10 आता है. So यहाँ पे आके 2 5s are 10. Then how many factors of 10? So 1, 2, 5 and 10 are the factors of 10. So students, every number comes in the table of 1. There are some rules of factors which we write here. So you will also write those factors. Now the rules are, first is 1 is a factor of every number. Write down beta. 1 is a factor of every number. Write down. Start from new page bete. Chapter number 6. Name of the chapter, factors and multiples. So we explain about the factors. Write down the heading of factor. Then we know that 2 5s are 10 means 2 and 5 are the factors of 10 and 10 is the multiple of 2 and 5. So these are the rules of the factors. 1 is a factor of every number. Now next is every number is a factor of itself. Is a factor of itself. हर नंबर, जो भी नंबर है जिसके हम फैक्टर लिख रहे हैं, सपोज वी राइट द factors of 10, 20, 30, 40 or 25 or 18 or 17, any number. So every number is a factor of itself. हर नंबर खुद भी वो अपने आप में एक फैक्टर है. और जिस नंबर के when we write the factor of any number, suppose we write the factor of 10. So 10 is the highest factor. जो नंबर जिसका हम लिख रहे हैं, जिस नंबर के फैक्टर लिख रहे हैं, वो नंबर खुद में भी एक फैक्टर होता है. सो 1 इज a factor of every number means यानी यानी 1 जो है वो हर सब टेबल में जो है हमारा 1 आता है. सो 1 इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ एवरी नंबर. 1 के टेबल में सभी नंबर्स आते हैं. दैट 1 इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ एवरी नंबर. नाउ एवरी नंबर इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ इटसेल्फ. Suppose we are writing the factor of 10. So what are the factors of 10? 1, then 2 के टेबल में भी 10 आता है, then 5 के टेबल में भी 10 आता है, और then 10 के टेबल में भी 10 आता है. 10 1 is 10. So the number 10 is the highest factor. जिस नंबर के हम फैक्टर लिख रहे हैं वो नंबर जो है वो उन नंबर्स में फैक्टर्स में जो सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर होता है. आफ्टर दिस नंबर देयर इज नो फैक्टर, क्योंकि 10 के टेबल में 10 आएगा, 10 1 जा 10, बट 10 के टेबल में 11 नहीं आएगा. सो या तो नंबर जो है आपके लेस देन द फैक्टर होते हैं या इक्वल्स टू द नंबर होते हैं. या तो आपका जिस नंबर के आप फैक्टर लिख रहे हैं या तो वही नंबर लास्ट फैक्टर होगा उसका, या बाकी जितने भी फैक्टर्स होते हैं दो फैक्टर्स आर लेस देन द गिवन नंबर. जो गिवन नंबर है उनसे या तो छोटे होते हैं फैक्टर्स सारे या फिर उसके इक्वल होते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स राइट डाउन ए फैक्टर. थर्ड रूल इज अ फैक्टर of a number is less than or equal to the. Now, a factor of a number, अगर हम किसी भी नंबर के फैक्टर लिख रहे हैं, is less than, या तो इस नंबर से सारे लेस होंगे और equal to the number, या इस नंबर के इक्वल होंगे, not more than the number. ओके बेटा, फैक्टर्स जो है वो ऑलवेज या तो लेस होते हैं या फिर उस नंबर के इक्वल होते हैं. जिस नंबर के भी हम फैक्टर्स जो है वो लिख रहे हैं, जहां पर वो नंबर खुद आ जाता है उसके बाद उसका कोई फैक्टर नहीं होता, बिकॉज all the numbers are more than that the given number. वो given number से बड़े हैं. So factors are always less than or equal to the number. Write down rule number 3. Now 4 is from 0 multiplied by 1. 0 multiplied by 1 is equal to 0. 0 multiplied by, we do not conclude that 0, we do not conclude that 0 and 1 are factors of 0. 0 and 1 are factors of 0. So from 0 multiplied by 1 is equal to 0. When we multiply any number from 0, if 1, if 2, कोई भी नंबर अगर हम 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, so we do not conclude, हम ये कंक्लूड नहीं करेंगे that 0 and 1 are factor of 0, कि 0 के जो फैक्टर है वो 0 और 1 है. 0 और 1 को हम इसमें फैक्टर में इंक्लूड नहीं करेंगे, बिकॉज आवर आंसर इज 0 1 जा 0. सो 0 and 1 are not included as the factor of 0. So student, these are the rules of the factors. So write down these rules better. Now students, we will start exercise 6A. So start from new page, exercise 6A. 6a. Now question number 1 is answer these questions. So student, you have to write the answers of this question in your book. Then in homework you will do this question in your maths notebook. First is in 30 is equal to 6 5 ja. So 30 comes in the table of 6 and 5 both. 6 5 ja 30. So 5 is a factor of 30. 5 is a factor of 30. So what is the other factor? There are two factors of every number. कोई भी नंबर है, कोई भी मल्टीपल है, if there is any multiple, so there are two factors. When we multiply two numbers, then we get the answer, then we get the product. So 6 and 5, this 30 is multiple and this 6 and 5 are the factors of 30. So 5 is a factor of 30. So what is the other factor? Other factor is 6. So other factor is 6. Now in sum number B, in 45, 5 into 9. 45 means 5 into 9 means 5 9 ja 45. So 5 is the factor of 45. So what is the other factor? 5 9 ja. So 5 and 9 are the factors of 45. So one factor is 5 and the second factor is, other factor is 9. The answer of B is 9. Write down beta. Other factor is 9. Because the number is exactly divisible by the number. जो नंबर exactly divisible होते हैं, that उन्हीं के ही factors होते हैं. Okay? If there is remainder, अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को divide करते हैं, एक ना remainder left, then it means it is not exactly divisible by that number. Okay? So those numbers are not the factors. Okay? Factors are only those numbers which are divisible by exactly with the given number. Okay, beta? So write down answer number B. Now C is in 60. 60 is equal to 6 into 10. 6 multiplied by 10. So 6 10 ja 60. So 10 is the factor of 60. What is the other factor? So 10 6 ja 60. So one factor is 10 and the other factor is 6. So write down the answer of C. Other factor is 6. Other factor is 6. So students, I have done some A, B and C. Now your homework is some number D, E and F. You will do yourself. Now question number 2. Which of the following statements are true? Now write this. Following statements are true. Which of the following statements are? इनमें से कौन से statements true हैं? So A is 5 is a factor of 15. 5 जो है वो 15 का फैक्टर है because 15 comes in the table of 5. So 5 is the factor of 15. So A is true. A is true. Now B is right now. A 5 is a factor of 15. Of 50. This is true. Write down true. Now B is 4 is a factor of 4. बेटे एवरी नंबर इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ इटसेल्फ, हर नंबर अपने नंबर का खुद फैक्टर होता है। 4 के टेबल में 4 आता है, 4 1 जा 4, सो 4 इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ 4, यस ट्रू, 4 इज द फैक्टर ऑफ 4, 4 इज अ factor of 4, this is true. Now C is 9 is a factor of 28, 9 is a factor of 28, बेटे 9 is a factor of 28, can 20, now 28 comes in the table of 9, 9 1 जा 9, 9 2 जा 18, 9 3 जा 27 and 9 4 जा 36, but 28 is more than 27 and less than 36, so 28 doesn't come in the table of 9, so it is 9 is a factor of 28, false, 9 is not a factor of 28 because 28 will not come in the table of 9, 28 9 के टेबल में नहीं आएगा, so the number which is exactly divided, that is the factor of that number. If the number is not exactly divisible by the given number, so it is not, the number is not the factor of that number. अब देखिए 9 के टेबल में 28 नहीं आता, so 9 is not a factor of 28. 4 के टेबल में 4 आता है, then 4 is the factor of 4. 5 के टेबल में 15 आता है, then 5 is the factor of 15. So 27, 28 9 के टेबल में नहीं आता, so the answer is false. Now we have done sum number A, B, C. Now your homework is sum number D, E, F. So do sum number D, E, F of question number 1 and sum number D, E, F of question number 2, exercise 6A in your notebook. So students, this is your homework and I hope you all have understand that what are factors. Now if you have any query, then you can discuss me in the live class. So students, this is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.